Hey folks, and welcome back to another Simply Schedule Appointments video. Today we're diving into how to integrate Simply Schedule appointments with the event calendar in WordPress. I will give you example scenarios of what this setup is typically used for, walk you through how to get a booking page going, and give you additional resources for a more advanced setup. Ready? Let's begin! So let's get started. I've set up a demo to showcase how to set up meetings with the event calendar in collaboration with Simply Schedule Appointments. As you can see, we have an event called My Event that is set for July 29th from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Typically, Simply Schedule Appointments can accept appointments on any day, but because we are working with an event and we want appointments on a certain day only, we are going to configure SSA to accept appointments on a particular day only. This integration works by setting up an appointment type with Simply Schedule Appointments, while the event calendar will act as the availability window to ensure your time slots are only available for the specific time and day that you set. I'm going to walk you through step by step how to do that. So let's take a look at the magic and see how Simply Schedule works with the events calendar. If you have a time zone warning, like the one you see at the top of my screen, that says when using the events calendar, we recommend that you use a geographic time zone such as America, Los Angeles. Then go to Settings, General, and adjust your time zone for a location instead of by UTC. This is an error message generated from the events calendar to warn you that choosing a UTC-based time zone will not adjust for daylight savings time, while a location-based time zone will. I put the link to further explain why in the description. For now, we are going to choose Indiana, Indianapolis. First, you want to add your event. Go to the events and add new. My first event. This is my first event. You will want to set your date and time availability so that the user will only see time slots within that date and time you specify. So we are going to choose August 1st from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Next, you will need to add a special shortcode to display the bookings correctly. If you use our typical SSA booking shortcode, your calendar will not be limited to the event. And this is what the typical shortcode looks like. Do not use that one. Instead, you are going to use one that starts with TEC underscore SSA booking with your appointment slug. You will need to replace the appointment slug with a slug from your appointment type. So let me show you how to find your appointment slug. To find your appointment type slug, you will need to go to Appointments, Appointment Types, click on your appointment type, and your slug is located right here. So you're going to copy that and then replace this part with your slug. And then save. All right, so let's take a look. As you can see, our appointments are all set up and ready to go. If you get stuck or need more help, I put links in the description with additional settings tips down below. You can also reach out to support through the contact button and the plugin itself. Thank you for watching.